Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel, Simplify Maths with Lalit. I'm your mathematics professor Lalit Rankaut. I heartily welcome each one of you in our today's session. I assume you have watched the videos for trigonometry up to transformation. Today we're going to start with trigonometric equations. So yeah, let's get started with today's class. I heartily welcome each one of you in our today's session. Quickly, let's understand the first question and we'll understand this some concept as well. My humble request to each one of you is, in case some of you are facing problem in function or any other topic, first understand the concept video, okay, like understand the question concept through the video. Second thing, you can read it from your textbook or at least pause it and write it single time the complete answer. Whenever, like till the point when you write the answer like again and again at least 2 times or at least 1 time, then you would be very much confident in the exam. Because what I observed in some of the students is that they know the concept when they are writing, because they are writing it for the very first time, they got stuck in half of the question. Now they are thinking what would be the next step. Since they have not practiced, so it's like that is the main problem. So please practice that so you are very much confident in that. So let's get started with today's class. You can still start fresh from today as well. Just don't give up. Okay, you can still make big in life. You can still be able to score good, right? So don't lose hope. Okay, let's get started with the class. So solve the following and write the general solution. So this is an trigonometric equation. Okay, we'll understand the general solution and everything. So see, this is in cos, this is in sine. Our main idea is this is like quadratic power 2, okay? To convert this in a single way, say in a single variable, okay? Or let's say in a single trigonometric ratio. Here it is cos, here it is sine. So it's better if we convert this cos into sine, because converting this sine into cos would be a cumbersome process. Under root 1 minus cos square theta, that is going to be quite a lengthy process. So we'll avoid that. Cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, everyone. So this is 2 into 1, which is 2. 2 minus sine square theta minus root 3 sine theta plus 1 equal to 0. Very easy. Now, see, the next step is, this is 2 sine square theta. Will transpose on the other side. This is 2 sine square theta. Now 2 plus 1, here it would be 3. On that side, this would be minus 3. Here it is minus root 3 sine theta. This would become plus root 3 sine theta on the other side. Now here we get a quadratic equation, okay, quadratic equation. So either you can solve this directly with the sign as like solving the module, right? Or the second point is what you can do here is, or if you see the solution at anywhere else, the point is, or you can substitute sine theta as t, okay, or x, in like which case you are like more comfortable, okay? There's nothing wrong with that also. So since most of the students might get confused, so that's the reason I have taken sine theta as t. So this is 2 sine square theta root 3 theta root 3 t minus 3 equal to 0. Now is what we call is middle term splitting or the factorization. There are different names for this. So I'll tell you what we do generally, okay? We'll take the coefficient of t square, which is 2, like coefficient of x square or t square, which is 2, and the constant term, which is minus 3. We multiply both of them, so we get minus 6. Middle term is root 3, so we'll split root 3 such that its sum is root 3 and its product is minus 6. I guess that's making sense with everyone. So we have to find the Karan and Arjun here. So what we should add so that it is root 3 and what we should multiply so that it is minus 6. So what we can see here is 6 can be written as, let's say 6 into 1, but 6 minus 1, 6 plus 1 is not root 3. So obviously we should have a root down here. So we can write either 2 as root 2 into root 2, but that is also not making sense. So root 3 is root 3 into root 3, because I guess everyone is comfortable with that. Root 3 whole square is 3. Root 3 whole square is 3. So 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, and this minus is here. So if I take 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is root 3. 2 root 3 into minus root 3 is minus 6. Oh, yes. So basically, our Karan and Arjun in this question is 2 root 3 and minus root 3. Their sum is root 3, their product is minus 6. Okay. Now the next point is we'll substitute like root 3. So we'll split root 3 as 2 root 3 and minus root 3. 2 root 3 and minus root 3 and t as it is. Root 3 is 2 root 3 minus root 3. 2 root 3 into minus root 3 is minus 6. 2 root 3 minus root 3 is 3. Easy. Okay, here we will take 2t common. T plus, so we have taken 2, what is still left is root 3. Okay, now here what we'll take is minus root 3 common. Now t plus root 3. How? If you take here minus root 3 common, here it is t. Now 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. 3 can be written as, try to visualize, root 3 into root 3, and we have taken one root 3 outside. So what we left is root 3. How you can check whether this step is correct or not? Root 3 into t minus root 3 minus root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3, 3. So this is correct. So here it is t plus root 3, t plus root 3. We'll take that as common. It's 2 minus root 3. Okay. So we'll get t is minus root 3, t is root 3 by 2. What is t? T is sine theta. So we'll get here as sine theta is minus root 3. Minus root 3 is like minus 1.73. So this option is rejected. It has no solution. Why? Because sine theta belongs to minus 1 to 1. I guess you remember that thing at least. Sine theta is between minus 1 to 1. And this is like way beyond its range. So this is not possible. So we'll reject this one. So t is root 3 by 2. What is t? T is sine theta. Sine theta is root 3 by 2. So here root 3 by 2, everyone knows theta is pi by 3. So theta is pi by 3 is a particular solution. What is the general solution? Like at pi by 3, then it's in the first quadrant. In the second quadrant, pi minus pi by 3. Then again, like when we go in the first quadrant, which is 2 pi plus pi by 3, 4 pi plus pi by 3, and so on, we'll get a different values. So the general solution is very much important. So you should remember all this formula for sine, cos, tan and all. It would be super easy for you then. Sine theta is equal to sine alpha, then theta is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. So this is theta is equal to n pi plus minus, you can write this as sine alpha. In that case, alpha is going to be pi by 3. We'll substitute here pi by 3. N belongs to z, which is integer. So very easy. General solution is, I guess, clear with all of us. Very quickly we'll revise this. Solve the following and write the general solution. It's a quadratic equation. So always try to convert like in the whose degree is 1. Okay, try to convert that like in that variable. So it's like 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, then we'll open the bracket. We'll take on the other side. Then we'll like substitute sine theta is t, and then 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Root 3 p plus q. Sum is root 3. Multiplication is minus 6. We'll split that is 2 root 3 into minus root 3. So we'll get that as 2 root 3 minus root 3 is root 3. 2 root 3 into minus root 3 is minus 6. In this we'll get the value. So root 3 split it as this. We'll take 2t common, t plus root 3. Here we'll take minus root 3 common. T plus 3 is root 3 into root 3. So if we take 1 root 3 common, 1 root 3 will be still left. So t plus root 3, 2 minus root 3, t is minus root 3 rejected because this is minus 1.73 and sine theta is between minus 1 to 1. Similarly, t is root 3 by 2, sine theta is root 3 by 2. Then theta is like in the first quadrant, like this would be pi by 3. Sine theta equal to sine alpha, this is the general solution. GS's general solution is theta is n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 3. So n belongs to that. So I guess this is super clear with everyone. So please watch this once again, pause, give time to that, okay? At least like feel that minute would be easy for you than on the next question, okay? And it's my humble request to write all the steps again, like without seeing that. Once you are able to write it completely, then it will be super easy for you to write an exam. So thank you so much everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you understood the thing. Hope you are able to simplify things for you in the Simplified Maths with Lalit. So I'm your mathematics professor Lalit Rankot, signing off. Take good care of yourself. We'll meet you in the next time. Till then everyone, bye.